everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, on this video we are going to be making fried rice. We are going to be making fried rice for an end of year party. So let's just dive into the video. So I'm going to take you guys along, show you guys how I prepare my fried rice for a end of year party or any occasion. You can use this method for any occasion, whether party, any occasion of your choice, whether birthday party and all. So sit back, let me take you guys around. So guys, I'm going to be adding my meat stock to the water. Add enough meat stock to your taste. So I'm also going to be adding hot water to it. Now I'm going to season it. First of all, I'm going to be adding my fried rice spices. I'm using the Wonder brand. I'm going to be adding it. Then I'm going to be adding my Maggi. I'm using the Benny. So I'm going to be adding, this is very little. I'm going to add 1.5 pack of Benny into it, because I'm cooking a large quantity. Remember that, guys, I'm cooking a large quantity. Then I'm going to taste. I'm going to cover it, then allow it to simmer before we can add our rice to it. So I'm just going to scrape in a little bit of my nutmeg into it. So I prefer using the seed one, because the seed one is better, because when you use the powder one, I don't really know what they blend inside. So I prefer using the seed one, just do it this way. At this juncture, I'm going to be adding my rice. So I'm going to make sure that the water covers the rice. So I'm going to add a little bit of my meat stock, just to make sure that it covers the rice. So that is it. I'm going to cover it, allow it to simmer. So guys, I'm quickly going to spread my rice on a tray like this, to stop the process from cooking, in case if there's any moisture in there, so it's going to stop it. I'm just going to spread it this way and set it aside. So this is it. So I'm going to set it aside, while we go ahead. So in another pot, I'm going to be adding my garlic, ginger, So I'm going to be adding my onions into it. So I'm going to be adding my carrots. I'm going to be adding my green beans into it. Remember, I'm cooking a large quantity. So I'm going to allow it to cook for the next 3 minutes before adding any other thing to it. Guys, at this juncture I'm going to be adding my spices. So I'm going to be adding some nutmeg there, then add my atarodo because I love spices on my fried rice. So if you know you don't like spices, please skip this step. Anytime you add anything into it, make sure you stir very well. So guys, our fried rice is ready for pickup. Yeah, so over here is the chicken. It's ready. They are on their way to pick them up. And this is the third cooler. This is also fried rice. So if you know you live around us here in Usala, feel free to patronize us. We are ready for business. See you guys on my next video. Bye.